With questions, many students face challenges in getting their doubts cleared timely and effectively. Welcome to IGNOU Hub, introducing our innovative doubt resolution service for students of any kind of homework and assignments. Drop a message on WhatsApp 900-936-8238. How to ask questions. Write or give screenshot of your questions on given WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Step 1. Ask your questions. Wait for reply. After confirmation, please pay and get your answer within a day. Why should you choose us? Fastest service, reliable answers, free student support, minimum charges. In this video, we are discussing question number 1, ABCs in university, which is having learner support centers across the world. It is also having regional centers across the world. ABC also includes many departments which offer various programs. However, not all the LSCs offers all the programs. Counseling sessions normally take place during weekends. A minimum attendance of 75% is essential. Is practical counseling session, and every LSC is having a code. Every arts is having a code. Every department is having a code. Every program is having a code. Every course is having a code. Any person who takes admission to any of the following program is having an enrollment number. All codes and enrollment are unique. Semester and examinations are held at designated examination centers, and every examination center is having a code. Every student is assigned to a LSC where they attends counseling sessions, and student can seek transfer from one LSC to another. Now, with the reference to the above, answer the following. List the entities. For each entity, list attributes. Define relationships between the entities. Finally, draw the entity relationship diagram. So if you need answer of these PDF questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp. And thank you so much for watching video.